Hello everybody, this is Japhet from the Art of Trading, back at it with a daily top 10 for today. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so you'd be notified when I upload the next video. So yes, also if you've been here for a while, don't forget to leave a thumbs up on this video if you found something useful that are applicable to your trading strategy and whatnot. So yes, let's get right on to the video. Up first, let's look at the market summary that we have here today. So today we have a negative foreign net. We have a negative foreign net, which is down 567 million. Although we see positive changes for today's market for our index. So everything is up certain percentages except for property, but however we see a total negative foreign today. So the net foreign today is negative. A lot of reds, a lot of foreign investors are pulling out their investments, but despite that we see a positive 53 points today for PSE. It went up as high as 6,900 points, but then it pulled back down into 6,800, 67.88 points. So yes, our chart still holds up. This resistance, support turned resistance, still holding up, and we are still in a downtrend. We just saw that bounce and potentially, have this, our market, our index, hopefully break above the support level again to continue that uptrend. If not, we might be seeing a retrace of this support level right here, according to what we have drawn the past week or so. So for trending stocks, let's get right on it. First up, we have APL, Apollo Global, still trending today, number one, and we see this support level holding up, and it still did not manage to close above, but instead it pierced below once again. So higher likely we would see a retest of this. Let me just rearrange my arrows. We would see a retest of this support area right here before potentially creating a support here, support level right here, and a range in order to have momentum or have support before it rallies back on the upside. So yes, we might be seeing another retest of support at 0.16, 0.17 levels, where this tip was at 0.17, yes, and this was at 0.14 something. So we might be seeing those levels tested. This is a range, so it's not exact, and if it gets tested, hopefully it holds up, and this is a good zone for you guys to accumulate shares if you are looking to buy into this company, into this stock. So yes, wait for a test on this support level before considering buying, because we might see another drawdown right here for APL. So yeah, it pierced through our support level right here, resistance turned support, so it's not quite sure yet that it wants to go up. So let's watch out for this one. Up next, we have ACEN. Wow, okay, so it did not want to consolidate any longer on this range right here, but it wants to break above. So we shall see what it's gonna do. We definitely have like a resistance right here around this level, at around 7.9 or 7 point something, 7.9, yes. So we have a resistance right there, and we are gonna be seeing whether people sell that and build a support level here on this range. So it is holding up. I hope this arrows that we drew over the past couple days holds up, and it creates a support level here. If you want to enter this would be one of the best areas to get into this stock, to ACEN. So yeah, this could maybe hit 7.9 tomorrow when it opens, but then hopefully that holds and we see a level created here, either here or a break above right here. We could see a break above right here, honestly, because of the momentum that was in with this one. So we might be seeing a break above and retrace on this level. So be careful out there. Have your trading plan ready when you are trading this stock, because it's trending. Everyone's jumping into this, but be careful for profit takers. So up next we have Dito, which also did a huge move today, I believe. So yes, we finally see a break above our previous resistance once, twice, and then finally have a candle, a daily candle, break above that. So we're definitely letting go of this downtrend. We do see a break of this. Yeah, it's evident now that we broke this downtrend and we managed to break back into this resistance, and hopefully we managed to break out of resistance, and then hopefully we see the range created here for stronger support instead of just rallying continuously. But sure, that can happen too. It could retest this level already by the next couple days, if not tomorrow. We are still watching out for this resistance right here. So yeah, it's right on it. It pierced through. So if I'm looking at this is definitely a support level. Hopefully it trades above this price point. If not, creates a level right around this area right here, because this was a resistance right at this point. So if this holds, if this level holds and becomes a support, we could be seeing a retest of this resistance, our main resistance at 14 pesos, be broken soon. So yeah, just watch out for this one. Watch out for the pullbacks if you want to get into this as well. But yes, we shall see what happens to this stock, but it's definitely wanting to rally on the upside as it broke above this resistance, our resistance since 2 weeks ago. So watch out for this one. And then up next we have PHA, where we saw a pullback on it broke above. Yes, it broke above this support turned resistance, but we did see a pullback and retest of this support level that we have drawn. When did we draw this? The last video, yeah, yesterday we drew this support level and it held up. We finally have a candlestick that is above this support level, a daily candlestick above the support level. And if we do go to our hourly time frame, we would see that it did pull back into this level. So yes, this was a support that was held, but we don't know, it could be testing it again. This could be just a lower high right here that it's still trying to break, but we are seeing definitely an uptrend right here. And if you drew that, it could consolidate here in this area before finally exploding right above. So we should just wait patiently for this, because if this support holds, we might be seeing a breakout on this one and finally have 3 peso tested again, 3 peso level tested again. And if it does hold like a support level right around here, that would be the greatest, right around this resistance area. If it builds a new support right here, that would be the best move that it could do. But for now, let's wait patiently until it builds that support level that we have mapped out right here. So up next we have Abacor, where we saw also try to break above. It tried to break above, but it was, I guess, a fake out. Most of everyone dumped on this one, and now we're looking at this support level to be created and held up. So yeah, we are looking for the support level to hold up. This is a resistance before, and then hopefully it holds. We saw a projection on this downside, but this resistance turned support right here, and then now turned resistance again, is still holding up for sure. And thus we can see, yeah, so it basically tried to break it out and then broke back in and settled on this support level right there. So if that holds, that's a great place to consolidate, and we should be looking at this to keep its momentum on the upside if it does hold this consolidation area, instead of breaking back down and potentially filling this gap right here. It could do that. There is a potential that it would do that, or with enough catalyst, this could just break back up or maintain this range right here. So definitely we saw a great momentum on the downside after it hit this price point. So I'm gonna mark that as a significant level of resistance for now. But yes, it tried to break out of this resistance that we had at 1.36, too strong, and so it broke back into this support level. And I think most of them went to another stock, ACEN, because that was trending today. Everyone was trying to get a piece of that action. So let's move to our next one with MM. MM always doesn't load that fast, but there we go. So yes, we did see a bounce. It broke back in. We had this huge candle on the upside. We had this huge move right here. That was about, how much is this? Yep, we had a, oh, what? It's just right here. It's just right here. 9% today, even with the negative net foreign. So yes, we did see that move, but price action wise, it's still trying to break back into this support level in this range. And if it does a break above this and pulls back and creates a support level right here, we could be confident that this stock is on an uptrend and potentially going to, hopefully potentially going to, you know, test this resistances once again. And we shall see what happens. This support level definitely holding up, and this range is also holding up, and hopefully it breaks back in so that we could gain confidence on this one that it really wants to maintain its uptrend. Wait, what? The arrow just disappeared. But yeah, so this could be a higher low from here that it just respected, and that is great to see. So yeah, I thought it was gonna break down here, but no, I think it wants to maintain that higher low, this uptrend right here, and we shall see if it does hold up and explode again, as we see with a big candle right here, 9% just today. Up next we have BSC. BSC closed even on an even price today. Same with AR, they just closed within this range, so it's definitely ranging, but it maintained this support level, or daily time frame support level. Definitely broke this immediate downtrend, the short-term downtrend. So yes, we are looking for it to create another significant level of lower high right here, and maybe potentially break this resistance to continue its uptrend. But for now, definitely ranging within here, and we might take a while before we see a retest of this trend line. So we shall see what this does. But yeah, definitely a high right here and then a lower high right here. We could be seeing just a retest of this. Would be a good target if you wanna, you know, trade the short term. But for now, we are definitely holding this support level right around this price point, And yeah, let me just recalculate that. Move that in. So yes, there we go for BSC. And up next we have AR. AR definitely also holding that. Kind of have the same chart with BSC. So yeah, the range is still going. People are still undecided. People are still accumulating this, and it did try our resistance to break our resistance for the 1, 2, 3, 4th time, or maybe the second time right here. But yeah, definitely wicked out 4 times now on the daily chart here. So it's now our daily resistance. The gap is still intact, and the best thing we could do is potentially have it break out of this resistance and hopefully settle up here at some point and build a support right here. So yes, that's the best case scenario for AR for now. And let's move to the next one. We have MRC also trending today, and we see a slowdown on the downtrend right here. We do see a slowdown, and we do see how do you call this, a support being built right here. It's respecting our support level. Let me just change this one to a resistance, because this was a resistance before. So yes, it did bounce on our previous resistance. It found support there, also support right here. But yes, it definitely wants to build a support level right here. Great for accumulation. And let's see, let's remind ourselves that this is the daily time frame support. So yes, hopefully this thing holds up while this is ranging, I mean. So yeah, definitely ranging. But if we see a massive candle trying to break this resistance right there, we could be continuing our uptrend for this stock. But for now, it's definitely ranging, and hopefully we see a break above when enough people gets into this stock. But for now, it's holding this range, and we shall watch and see what happens in the coming days. So just to recap, our PSE negative net foreign today, but we are up 50 points. We should not be too relaxed for today, because we definitely touched that support turn resistance level right here, and we could either see a break above or a breakdown and retest of this support level in the coming days. So yeah, be careful out there, and tomorrow we might be seeing some some people taking profit, because we had great rallies from ACEN today, 13%, DITO 9%, FNI 8%. So yes, and if we see all our stocks today with the top traded, we see a lot of them on green. So yes, there were definitely a lot of gains today that people might want to take profit tomorrow, and might cause a retest of this support level right there. So we shall see tomorrow on the review. But for now, remember to stay patient, be disciplined, and strive to be consistent with your trading. And once again, if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload the next video. And hit that thumbs button, helps out a lot. Helps us get more exposure so that more people can know about what we do here in the ARCO trading. So yeah, that's it for me. You guys have a great evening. I'll see you guys tomorrow.